What? You're not gonna get in trouble. No, you're not. Let's just go down this cool thing. Oh, Lord. There are people in there.
She said no.
You can't?
Megan said no. And she said my mom said no.
Oh, Lord. I'm ready to run. You see my shadow? Are you ready to hear an alarm? Oh, yeah. I bet you they ain't hear it. Let's go see my friend. I love my friend. Croquet. Hi. It's a bowling ball. I want to get in here. Hurricane force. I think it's $1. Hold on. I'm gonna do this. Hold on. It's hurricane force. Are you ready? You wanna do this? You wanna do this? You wanna get mad? We did this?
It's $2.
Dang it. Please come out. I want to get out. Hold on, let's go ask for $1. Hold on, stay right there. Mommy! Mommy, I need $1. I already put one in that hurricane thing, so I need one more.
But I don't have $1. Here, ask her if she can open her register and give you 5 ones.
Mommy won't give me my $1.
And I'll give you $1. If she can open the register, can you open the register and give her 5 ones? Because we're gonna buy this stuff. We just what do you need $1 for?
The hurricane thing?
What hurricane thing? Can you have quarters?
I already put $1 in there.
Can you use quarters?
It only has Visa cards and.
It says only accept dollar bills.
Oh, because I don't have. Taylor, do you have $1? Do you have $1 that you can give Maddie until I can get change? You do?
$1 and what?
Just, no, just $1.
Did you get $1?
Hold on.
Thank you.
What does this do?
I don't know.
Dude, this is like being in a hurricane. I'm scared. It's hurricane force winds. Maddie, I'm scared.
Come in. No!
This is a message from the emergency broadcast.
That was so funny. Oh my god, let's do it again. Go get $2 more. No, we can't. We do? Oh my god. Mom, that was so funny. She was all like, "Whoa!"
Everybody in the mall heard y'all.
Okay, you can only use your $2. We're both gonna be in there. Or do you want to be there all at once? Huh? How much money do you have?
I'm gonna ask my dad if we can go to his house because
I can't go with you.
Here's 5 for it. Well, okay.
Use your $2. Let's go in again.
No, I'm gonna get in trouble. Get $2 from Taylor.
No.